a Plotagon Network original, Gerald and Lizzie. Hey, have you seen my dog? He's missing.
He's right by Eaton Street.
Wait a minute. You're lying. Tell me where my dog really is right now, you megalomania teenager.
Woof woof.
That is it. You are grounded for 1332546774467754333 years. I will be calling your parents immediately.
No. No, you can't call my parents.
I will ignore you. And for talking back, take this. The end. Gerald and Lizzie, a Plotagon production, was recorded in front of a live studio audience.